Hey guys, welcome to the Hashtag Coder YouTube channel. In the last video, we have seen the structure of HTML. Now, in this video, we will see some heading tags and paragraph tags. So, let's start it. To display the content on the web page, we have to write the tags inside the body section. So, we are seeing some heading tags. So, we will write these tags inside the body section. I am using h1 tag. This tag is used for heading purpose. So, we will write some content inside the heading tag. Now first of all we will save it and open it with the browser. I am going in my folder location and open this file with the browser. Now you can see the heading is displaying on the web page because we have used the h1 tag. H1 tag is used for displaying the heading on the web page. There are total 6 heading tags available in the HTML. So we will see all these heading tags. So first of all we will write all these heading tags in the body section. So these are the 6 heading tags we have just write. So first of all we will save it and open this file with the browser. Now you can see the total headings displaying on the web page. The only difference is in their size. The h1 is big, then h2 is small, then h3 is again small, then h4 is again small, then h5 is again small, and h4 h6 is again small. So these are the types of headings available in the HTML, and it starts from h1 to h6 tag. Now we will see paragraph tag. For writing the paragraph tag, we use p tag. Now we will write some paragraph. I have just dummy content, so I will copy it and paste inside the p tag. And now I will save it. First of all, align it well. Okay, now I will save it and open it with the browser. Now you can see the paragraph is displaying on the web page. But actually I have increased the screen size. First of all we will manage it to 100%. So this is the paragraph we have displayed using the p tag. Now suppose we want to display the another paragraph, so we will use the same procedure to display it. So I will copy this paragraph and paste it below this paragraph. Okay, now we will first save it and open it with the browser. Now you can see the two paragraphs are displaying on the web page. And suppose you want to display the multiple paragraphs, you can use the same procedure. So we will write some heading before this paragraph. So for the heading I will use h1 tag. Actually I have dummy content, so I will copy and paste inside this tag. So this is the another heading for another paragraph. So this is another heading for the second paragraph. I will use the h1 tag for displaying the heading for this paragraph. Actually I have dummy content, so I will copy this dummy content and paste it between this heading tag. Now after reloading this file, you can see the headings are displaying on the web page because we have just write in the HTML file the headings before the paragraph tag.